Hey guys, this is Eric Miller with Tourig and our newly formed sister company, Tourig Recreation Group, also known as TRG. TRG was founded to not only service Tourig vehicles, but also the growing category of adventure vans on the road today. What makes TRG unique is that we have a very highly trained technical staff on board to perform things like suspension upgrades, roof racks, bumpers, exterior lighting, battery upgrades and repair, plumbing issues, basically anything under the sun that would be associated with an adventure van. We also have 2 Mercedes-Benz certified technicians on board to do things like Service A, Service B, and the things found at a dealership. TRG's goal is to enhance each customer's journey by performing performance upgrades and general maintenance. What separates TRG from other service providers is the unique relationship we have with Tourig, being a sister company, is that we have the ability to learn from what Tourig has learned over the last 7 years, as well as tap into the policies and protocols and procedures by the Master Upfitter or Expert Solutions program for Mercedes-Benz. For questions or to schedule your appointment, please visit TourigRecreationGroup.com or 303-710-2914. I hope to see you here in Golden, Colorado.